rails. The massive aluminum alloy billet is secured by industrial clamps. Automated laser guides project precise crosshairs.
The core temperature is stabilizing right on target.
Confirmed. We have achieved thermal consistency across the billet.
Precision is paramount. The robotic arm utilizes gentle vacuum suction to prevent deformation as it sequences the plies for the Yak 130.
The gravity measurement system detects microscopic variations.
The analyzer extracts a minuscule sample of the resin matrix. A rapid spectroscopic analysis confirms the
As the automated barrier lifts, the cart carrying the Yak 130 flat materials moves towards the layup zone.
The reports look good. Process A for the nose cone, process B for the actuators.
All parameters met. Sign off.
The fabrication routing decision dictates that the Yak 130 composite aileron materials remain on strict hold until process A is fully completed and signed off.
The release agent coverage looks uniform. Confirmed. Process A requirements met.
The remaining rectangular segment, destined for precision components, undergoes surface annealing to relieve internal stresses.
The automated fiber placement head is meticulously calibrated, aligning the robotic path with the complex curvature of the Yak 130 flat mold.
The sensor panel confirms perfect environmental conditions. Temperature, humidity, and particulate count are...
The newly sliced aluminum bars are automatically stacked into specialized, labeled stainless steel racks.
Lower the core structure slowly.
Confirmed. Lowering to position A.
Check alignment on the starboard side.
Ensure the K-type thermocouples are secure before we seal the door.
All connected. Checking the pressure lines now.
The pressure is stabilizing right on schedule.
Confirmed. The ramp-up looks nominal across all sensors.
Start from the center, watch the tape.
Got it, pulling now, looks good.
This is process A, the transfer of the Yak 130 composite flap for precision machining, ensuring absolute alignment of the critical hinge points.
The cleaning process focuses on the intricate geometry of the actuator mounting points, ensuring a flawless surface before the layup begins.
Pullers. Small titanium alloy structural inserts are carefully positioned within layers of carbon fiber. These inserts...
The final plies are perfectly set. The consolidation looks excellent across the 2 meters.
Confirmed. Ready for vacuum bagging.
Make sure this port is flush with the envelope.
Got it. The thermocouple wires are secured for zone 4.
resting stag. The AGV precisely positions the Yak 130 composite aileron mold. With the temperature and pressure,
The control panel displays the initiation of the aileron curing cycle with a faster pressure ramp-up.
The secondary autoclave opens, and the robotic arm extracts the fully cured Yak 130 composite aileron mold for demolding.
Ensure the bonding agent is evenly applied to the bracket.
Confirmed. The sensors are calibrated and ready for integration. Moving to position B now.
The bolts are tightened to exact specifications, ensuring the load path transfers correctly.
Actuator feedback aligned.
Deflection angle matches reported position. Calibration complete.
Vibration signature is well within acceptable limits.
Acoustic profile looks clean. Confirmed high-quality finish.
The finished Yak 130 composite aileron, securely sealed, represents the culmination of advanced manufacturing.
Okay, hold it right there. Brake set.
Roger that. Engaging tines now. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
aileron sweep test complete. Parameters nominal, confirmation sent.
The Yak 130's composite aileron performs flawlessly, the culmination of a precise industrial process.